Deep beneath the forest, savannas, and the foundations of human homes, there exists a world of astonishing organization and quiet power. At the heart of this underground empire lives a creature few ever see, one of nature's most extraordinary rulers, the termite queen. She is not a ruler in a way humans imagine kings and queens, but rather a biological engine, a living factory, and the very heartbeat of the colony. I am Francis Erenge, and this is the story of a creature that rarely moves, yet commands one of the most complex societies on earth. On warm, humid evenings after rainfall, thousands of winged termites known as alettes take flight in a mass swarming event. Most will not survive. Predators strike, environments shift, and even humans capture some to fry for munchies. But a fortunate pair survives, a male and a female. They shed their wings and burrow into the soil. There in a sealed chamber, they become king and queen. In darkness, they begin their colony. The queen lays her first eggs, and together the royal pair nurtures them until the first workers emerge, marking the true beginning of a growing society. As the colony expands, the queen begins to change. Her body dramatically transforms. Her abdomen swells, stretching far beyond its original size, until in some species, she can no longer move at all. She becomes something entirely different, a living reproductive engine. From this point on, the workers take over everything. They feed her, they clean her, they protect her, they build and expand the nest, and she is responsible for producing life. At full maturity, the termite queen becomes one of the most prolific mothers on earth, laying thousands, even tens of thousands of eggs every single day. From just 2 termites, a colony grows into hundreds of thousands within a few years. The queen's power is not limited to reproduction alone. Through invisible chemical signals called pheromones, she controls the entire colony. These signals prevent other termites from becoming reproductive and even determine whether individuals become workers or soldiers. They also maintain order and unity. There are no spoken commands, no visible authority, yet the colony functions with perfect coordination. It behaves not as separate individuals, but as a single living organism. Workers act as the hands, soldiers defend like an immune system, and the queen serves as the reproductive heart. Deep within the nest, she is never alone. Worker termites surround her constantly, feeding, cleaning, guarding, and carrying away her eggs. Meanwhile, beside her remains the king, her lifelong partner, continuously mating to sustain the colony. Together, they form the reproductive core, hidden far from the surface of the world. Unlike most insects whose lives are brief, the termite queen can live as long as 25 to 50 years, and throughout, she continues producing offspring. If she dies, her chemical signals fade, and without the chemical signals, new queens may emerge, ensuring the colony has a chance to survive. But without replacement, the colony itself may collapse. The queen never ever leaves her chamber. She lives in complete darkness, entirely dependent, endlessly producing life. Her existence is one of repetition and purpose. Despite her stillness, her influence is immense. She is immobile yet powerful, hidden yet essential, silent yet in control of an empire. Without ever seeing the world above, she shapes the one below, building vast societies and sustaining one of nature's most successful systems. In the quiet earth beneath our feet, she reigns, not as visible monarch, but as the unseen force behind the entire civilization.